Hello everyone, my name is Bilge. Today I'm going to introduce you two different products which are designed in the same style. Arc Menu Board and Arc Menu Holder. You can display your poster or menu with floor standing Arc Menu Board at the entrance of a restaurant, coffee, reception, or even in front of an elevator. Arc Menu Holder can be used on counter or table to display your announcements. Both of them have curved modern design. Their modern design fit in any environment. Arc Menu Board and Arc Menu Holder complete each other. Their design is the same, but their usage areas are different. Arc Menu Holder is suitable for tabletop usage. On the other hand, Arc Menu Board's usage is suitable as a floor-standing menu board. For instance, while Arc Menu Board gives information about an invitation at the hall, Menu Holder can be used as a food menu. They serve different purpose in the same environment. Arc Menu Holder is made of powder-coated steel. Soft feet on each corner prevent your table from getting scratched and also prevent the product from sliding. Please do not forget to order landscape and portrait positions separately. Arc Menu Board has curved iron profile. Pole is 1090 mm height. Base is made of heavy powder-coated steel. It is 2.57 kilograms. Base has also soft feet under it to prevent the product from sliding. Base is 296 mm and 300 mm. In Arc Menu Board, you can change the direction of your poster as landscape or portrait by removing the screws from the back. Landscape and portrait positions are available in one product. Even the end user can change the position easily. They are both equipped with anti-reflex magnetic poster cover that holds your poster in place. Flip the magnetic cover up and place the poster underneath easily. You don't need any tools. A3 and A4 size are available for Arc Menu Board and only A4 size is available for Arc Menu Holder. With the help of their design, you can make your announcements and advertisements more effectively. They are suitable for any commercial environment. Available two finishes, black and gray. Custom colors are available with minimum order quantity. Arc Menu Holder is shipped in two pieces in one box. And Arc Menu Board is shipped in one set, frame, pole, base in one box. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay healthy, goodbye.